Greetings everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to convert a text into an audio using gTTS and Pygame. Firstly, we import our libraries. Then we create a function which converts the text into speech. Then we create a function which plays the audio. And now let's play the audio.
Hello. This is a simple text-to-speech tutorial using gTTS in Python.
Python?
Yes, Mr. Bioinformatics.
Say with me.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.